In this video, we will see what are the plans and pricing are available in PowerApps. So let me tell you first, there are free trial version. Microsoft is providing 30 days free trial version to PowerApps. If you want to learn PowerApps, or if you are a beginner of PowerApps, then you can use that opportunity. You can go to directly to that powerapps.com where you can get 30 days free trial version. Directly click on it and you can enjoy for the 30 days. Next comes to what are the plans and prices are available for a business purpose. So I will tell you, there are only one version, that is PowerApps Premium. You can see here that is $20 per user per month. You can use this premium plan. So, what includes in this PowerApps Premium plan? One is run custom applications. You can build and run custom applications unlimited, since there is no limit of building and running custom applications. Then run custom websites. This is also unlimited. So by purchasing $20, you can run the custom websites unlimitedly. Second one is data connectivity, storage, and management. So connect to your data. You can use pre-built custom and on-premises connector. Store and manage data. You can create and access the customer entities. Use Microsoft Dataverse formerly. So before it was Common Data Services, now it converted to Microsoft Dataverse. So 250 MB you can get for the database capacity, and the 2 GB file you can get for the Common Data Service, means Dataverse capacity. Admin and governance, executive workflows. So Power Automate use rights, including premium connector, and the manage environment. It is also included under the admin and governance. Now, last one is Infuse AI. You can create AI Builder service credit by using $500. I will tell you the details of AI Builder plans and prices. Let me go to the next slide and show you. So here you can see now the Power Apps plans and prices is divided with two different plans. One is Power Pages plan and another one is AI Builder plans. You can see in the Power Pages plan, there are two type of things: authenticated users per website, and another one is anonymous user per website. For the authenticated user per website, you have to purchase it by giving $200 per 100 users per site per month, where the anonymous user per website you have to buy it for $75 per 500 users per site per month. In authenticated user per website plan, it gives individual authenticated access to low-code business website. Wherever the anonymous users per website plan, it allows users to browse low-code business website anonymously. Where the authenticated user per website, it access to authentication provider, and in anonymous, it covers 500 AI Builder service credits per month. In authenticated user plan, built-in content delivery network support, where anonymous plan use pre-built and custom connector to connect the data. Also, you can use on-premises connector and gateway. In authenticated, you can use Microsoft Dataverse stories. In anonymous, Microsoft Dataverse of 250 MB database capacity at the tenant level. It gives you 250 MB of database capacity, where and also in Microsoft Dataverse, in this plan, you can get 2 GB file capacity at the tenant level. Let's see the AI Builder. AI Builder is different plan, like $500 per unit per month. It also requires access to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center with Global Administrator or Billing Administrator roles. And also it adds to an existing Power Apps, Power Automate, or Dynamic 365 paid plan subscription. So this is all about the Power Apps plans and the prices. Whenever you require for the business plan, you can purchase any of the plan and you can enjoy it. And if you are Power Apps beginner, then you can also try the trial version for 30 days. So this is all about the Power Apps plans and prices. See, so in the next video, we will see what is Power Apps Studio.